So Payne, you're working on a traditional punt here. I want you to work on molding the ball. Spin it to yourself, catch it to be able to extend it. This ball should be extended right now. You're keeping it inside by your legs. You have big, long legs. This should be a job that you start to get good at, and you got time to do it. So again, remember there's a glass table. I want that ball extended. I want two hands on it. So this one, you take the left hand off completely. You're not going to get that opportunity. And this is too much of just a walk through it. I want you to really try to lift when you get to the end of this, that you're going to come off the ground, which you do, but there's not enough energy here. So this is a duplicate of the very first one, which is a little bit closer to the right form. But that ball should be extended from your body now. Lay it out there for your foot. Not bad. And the drop and all that looks pretty good. Okay, we just need to get back to the base mechanics of that traditional punt. I think you'll do good.